Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So tell me first, how was the previous class of maths? Did you understand?
Yes,
जो पढ़ाया था वो
ma'am.
समझ में आया था about 2D shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया था सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, बताओ फिर 2D shapes के बारे में बेसिक फैक्ट्स क्या पढ़े थे? 2D shapes के बारे में?
Length or width.
Yes, right. Good.
Length or width.
And 2D shapes are flat in shape, right? So, okay, first you tell me, what is the shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. And what is this shape?
Cone.
What is this shape?
Cone.
Cone. So can you tell me which one is a 2D shape? Cone or triangle?
Triangle.
Which one is a 2D shape? Cone or triangle?
Triangle.
Triangle. Why? नहीं पता. So that's what we will try to understand in this class, that why cone is not 2D and triangle is 2D. Apart from that, now tell me, if I show you this side of this duster, black and flat, which shape is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. But if I show you, if I put the duster like this and show you this shape, which shape is this? Not properly rectangle. Confusing, right? That's what we will try to understand in this class. Okay? Are you ready to learn new things today?
Yes,
इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Today we will learn features of 2D shapes, basic features, and properties of 3D shapes. Okay? In previous class, I have told you that D means 2D, 3D. D means dimension. D means
Dimension.
dimensions. Right. So let's start with 2D shapes. Okay? As you can see, which shape is this?
Square.
Square. Square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Very good. And these are sides. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So square has 4 corners and 4 sides. Okay? This is a notebook. A rectangular notebook. A rectangular has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 4 sides. In square shape, all the sides are equal, and in rectangular shape, the opposite sides are equal. Right? Next, come to the next shape, that is triangle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. Which shape is this?
Circle.
Very good. Has it any corner?
No, ma'am.
No. A circle has no corner and no sides. Okay? A circle has 0 corner and 0 sides. So that was all about 2D shapes. Now repeat with me. A square has 4 sides,
4 sides.
4 corners. Rectangular has 4 sides, 4 corners. A triangle has
3 sides. 3 corners.
A circle has
No sides. No corners.
very good. Everybody clap for yourself. So that was all about 2D shapes. Now we move to an amazing 3D shapes. Let's start with, which shape is this?
Cube.
Very good. Which shape is this?
Cube.
Cube. ये कैसा दिख रहा है? स्क्वायर जैसा दिख रहा है सामने से? ऐसा दिख रहा है ना? आ गया. ऐसा दिख रहा है देखो सामने से.
Yes, ma'am.
बट इसमें और इसमें क्या फर्क है? This is 2D. This is 3D. Why? Let's find out. As you can see, it's a cube. This shape is known as cube. Why? What are the properties of a cube? A cube has how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 corners.
8 corners.
These are called face. ये चिकना पार्ट है ना, फ्लैट साइड को बोलते हैं फेस. क्या बोलते हैं?
Face.
फेस. क्या बोलते हैं मैम?
Face.
ये चिकना साइड को है ना, इसको बोलते हैं फेस. ठीक है, जैसे हमारा है ना चिकना चिकना फेस, वैसे इसका भी इसको फेस बोलते हैं. ठीक है, और कॉर्नर तो कोना, ये तो जानते ही हो. ठीक है, कॉर्नर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज वर्टिसेस. कॉर्नर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज
What is it?
vertices, and these are called face. So a cube has 8 corners and faces. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 faces. And edges. These parts are called
Edges.
edges. Right. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many edges?
12.
Very good. 12 edges. Next, we come to rectangle. As you can see, only opposite sides are equal. है ना? इसका जो लेंथ है, इसका भी सेम लेंथ है. इसका जो लेंथ है, इसका भी सेम लेंथ है. और इसमें क्या था? चारों लेंथ इक्वल थे, है ना? स्क्वायर के जैसा. समझ में आ गया? अभी इसमें हम काउंट करते हैं. ठीक है? Let's count with me. Corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8,
edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 faces. So the properties of a cube and cuboid are same, but the only difference is, tell me. Only difference is that cube is made by square and a cuboid is made up by
rectangle.
rectangle. Now let's move to cone. अभी बर्थडे कैप अभी मिला नहीं, तो मैं ये एग्जांपल के लिए ले रही हूँ, तो इसको बस समझो. ठीक है, ये वाला पार्ट जो है ना, व्हाट इज
This
दिस?
side.
फेस. फेस चिकना पार्ट मैंने बताया था ना, चिकना पार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? फेस. स्मूथ साइड फेस. सो अ कोन हैज 1 फेस एंड इसको अगर ऐसे कट कर दिया जाए तो इसके नीचे कैसा मिलेगा हमको? ऐसा चिकना फेस मिलेगा ना, चिकना साइड है ना, जैसे बर्थडे कैप में रहता है. सो अ कोन हैज
2 face.
2 faces. One is curved face, one is curved face and the other is flat face.
Flat.
A cone has 1 corner only, which is called tip, and 1 edge. देखो, अगर ये इसका एंड होता, ये इसका एंड होता, यहाँ से अगर हम कट कर देंगे तो एक इस टाइप का पार्ट हमको मिलेगा ना. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज. एज ऑफ द कोन, राइट, अ सर्कुलर एज. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वी विल सी व्हाट इज दिस?
Ball.
बॉल. व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ बॉल?
Sphere. Sphere.
बोलो, जब नहीं आता तो कम से कम सुन के ही रिपीट करेंगे ना मैम,
Sphere.
कैसे सीखेंगे? बोलो.
Ball.
व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ बॉल? स्फीयर. Sphere. Okay. Now, what is the property of sphere? As you can see, that sphere has no corner and no edges. No edges. Only one circular
Face.
face. Very good. Last one is, what is the shape?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Very good. As you can see here, a cylinder has 3 faces. How many faces? 3 faces. See, 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. 1 curved face and 2 flat faces. A cylinder has 2 edges. Circular edge. 1 circular edge. 2. Has it any corner?
No.
No. It has no corner. Now repeat with me and help me to write here. Tell me. In cube. Sorry. How many faces are there in cube?
6.
6 faces. Very good. सिर्फ आंसर दे रही है कृतिका. अभी सबको पढ़ाई हूँ मैं, सबसे आंसर चाहिए. कॉर्नर्स बताओ कितने हैं? 1, 2. Very good. How many edges?
12.
12 edges. And the properties of a cube is similar to Cuboid.
Cuboid.
So cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners, and
12.
12 edges. What is the difference between cube and cuboid?
Cube is made of square and cuboid is made of rectangle.
Very good. अभी बताया था, याद करो. Cube is made up by
Square.
square. इससे बना है.
Yes.
और cuboid is made up by
Rectangle.
rectangle. Now help me to write here about cone. How many faces are there? There are two faces. One is curved, one is flat.
Flat.
How many corners are there? One
One.
corner. Edge, हाँ edge है ना? एक है यहाँ
One.
पे edge. अभी स्क्वायर का बताओ. Faces. One face. And
0. 0.
cylinder. Three faces. Corners.
0.
0 corners. Edges. Edges. 2 edge. One. So 2 circular edges. Circular edges. So this was all about features of 2D shapes, properties of 3D shape. Did you understand the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
So did you understand
Yes.
how you identify that these shapes are 2D shapes and these shapes are 3D shapes? मतलब 3D shape अगर है तो क्यों है? 2D shape अगर है तो क्यों है? और दोनों को कैसे पहचाने? How to identify that these are 2D shapes and these are 3D shapes? As I have already told you in previous class that we can only touch these shapes, we can only draw these shapes, but we cannot carry these shapes. We cannot put things, we cannot put in 3D shapes or in 3D products. So हम खाना स्ट्रीट साइड में बेचते हैं ना, ऐसे पेपर का बना के उसके अंदर चना डालता है ना, तो वो क्या से बनाता है? डोना से कौन बनाता है ना, उसके अंदर चना डोना डाल देता है, खाए होगा भी.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So we can put things into 3D shapes. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
As you can see in sphere, like in ball, there are space into this ball or balloon. ये जैसे है, ये पानी है इसके अंदर में. कोई भी चीज तुम उठा लो अपने आसपास की चीजें कहीं भी देखो, तो आज के बाद जब घर जाओगे तो ऑब्जर्व करना. आज के क्लास के बाद यू विल ऑब्जर्व द थिंग्स. राइट. सर्कल नहीं, क्या है वो? बताओ सोच के बताओ. यहाँ से देख लो. कौन सा? बॉल. क्या है बॉल को क्या बोलते हैं? स्फीयर. राइट. स्फीयर. सर्कल नहीं बोलना उसको. तो ये चीज हम सीखे ना, आज हम ये चीज सीखे ना कि उसको हमको सर्कल नहीं बोलना, उसको हमको स्फीयर बोलना है. समझ में आया क्यों बोलना है? क्योंकि इसके अंदर में गहराई होती है.
Yes.
2D shapes have only length.
And width.
Very good. बोलो सभी रिपीट करो उसके साथ. 2D shapes only have length and width. Length and width. Length and width. But in 3D shapes, this is length, width, and this is depth. गहराई है ना? Did you understand the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
How's the class today?
Good.
So do one thing. Open your notebook and start noting down these pictures with the number of sides and number of corners. Date डालो. Topic लिखो ऊपर. And then I will give you homework. Homework basically क्या रहेगा? इसको आपको याद करके आना है. इतने मैंने एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझा दिया है. Try to find out in objects that which shape is this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I am here to clear the doubt.